Hello, good morning students. Now today I am telling you different uses of present simple tense. Yesterday I told you different pattern of present simple tense and today I am telling you different uses of present simple tense. This tense is used, point number 1, to express different universal and general truths. For example, the sun rises in the east, the earth moves around the sun. These are universal and general truths, so we can use present simple tense. Second point is to make a statement of general nature. General nature, for example, as we hear with our ears, the rose smells sweet. Smells present simple tense. We hear also present simple tense. Point number 3, to express a habitual action. Habitual action that we do in our habit. For example, he often comes late. He subject singular, comes verb is also singular. Subject singular, verb singular. Present simple tense. Second example, I always help him in difficulty. I plural subject, help is plural verb. Subject plural, verb plural. Present simple tense. Next point is to express planned future action. Planned future action means the action which is going to happen in near future. This is known as planned future action. For example, we leave for Jaipur at 8 p.m. At 8 p.m. we shall go to Jaipur. So this is planned future action. The Prime Minister visits Jodhpur tomorrow. Planned future action. The action will take place in the near future. So it is known as planned future action. Next point is to narrate different actions taking place at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking, when action takes place, this is known as different actions taking place at the time of speaking. For example, when the door opens, many people enter the hall. When the door opens, many people enter the hall. This is different actions, many people are entering the hall when the door opens. Door is singular, opens is singular. Singular subject, singular verb. Present simple tense. Next point is to introduce subordinate clause beginning with if or when. When any subordinate clause begins with if or when, it will be in the present simple tense. For example, when he comes, I shall do it. I shall do it, this is main clause. When he comes, this is subordinate clause. So this subordinate clause will often comes in present simple tense. Subject singular, verb singular. I shall do it, main clause, or when he comes, this is present, this is subordinate clause. Next example, I shall also give you, if you come, I shall help you. So I shall help you is known as main clause, or if you come, it is present simple tense and subordinate clause. Mark of identification, there are some adverb of times which are generally used in present simple tense. These words are always, often, sometimes, usually, seldom, generally, frequently, rarely, regularly, never, daily, every word is common here, every day, every week, every month, every year, etc. Each word is common here, each day, each week, each month, etc. On Sundays, on Mondays, in the mornings or in the evenings. So these words often come in present simple tense. Now I will give you exercise in the PDF file. Thank you and have a nice day.